This is what I found in a box, which was just stunning. This turns out to be a Whiting and Davis. What you do is you pop, the top comes off. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. And then this opens up. And then on the inside, it does have the Whiting and Davis sign. And then you just close it back up. And then that snaps back on. Hard to do with one hand. But it's absolutely stunning. So I want to take you over to a couple of the bins that I have that I didn't unpack because it's just insane the amount of items that I have. Now this particular bin, I have more of these coffee mugs, all different colors, which are fun. But what I did find was a set of 4 Cutco knives. Now, let me just pop them up here. This happens to be McCoy, little McCoy teapot. Doesn't sell for a lot, but there's some more fun mugs. Fire King, Anchor Hawking. These particular, these jugs here are